Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see that you've earned money while you were sleeping. Or you're enjoying a well-deserved vacation, and your income just keeps flowing in. Sounds like a utopia? An unattainable dream. Well, what if I told you it's not a dream, but an achievable reality for millions of people worldwide? Welcome to the fascinating world of passive income. Today, we're diving deep into 5 proven methods to do just that. Earn money, even when you're not actively working. This is the ultimate guide to paving your way to greater financial freedom. Ready to make your money work for you? Let's start with a classic in the world of passive income: dividend stocks and index funds. Simply put, when you buy shares of a company, you become a co-owner. Many profitable companies choose to distribute a portion of their profits to their shareholders. This is called a dividend. So you regularly receive a piece of the company's profit, often quarterly, simply by owning their shares, without you having to do anything after your initial purchase. The beauty is you can reinvest this money, buying even more shares and exponentially growing your future dividends. This is known as the power of compounding, and it's one of the most potent forces in finance. For beginners or those looking to diversify risk, index funds or ETFs are an excellent option. Instead of investing in one company, you're buying a basket full of stocks from various companies, or even an entire market index like the S&P 500, all at once. This significantly reduces risk while still allowing you to benefit from the dividend payouts of the underlying companies. This is a long-term strategy where patience is rewarded with steady, passive income. Our second method is also a well-established one: rental real estate. This involves buying a house or apartment and then renting it out to tenants. The monthly rental income minus expenses forms your passive income. The rise of platforms like Airbnb has broadened this concept. You can now rent out a spare room, your vacation home, or even your entire property for short periods to tourists. This can often yield significantly more than traditional long-term rentals, though it does require more management, which you can partly outsource. But real estate isn't just physical. Also consider digital real estate. This includes things like websites that generate ad revenue, online shops selling digital products, or even renting out server space. Uploading your own stock photos or videos to platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock can also generate passive income every time someone downloads your work. Or how about creating digital templates or online tools that you build once and then sell repeatedly? The principle is the same. You create a property and receive rent or revenue digitally. Our third method is incredibly accessible and scalable: affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services from other companies. You do this by sharing unique affiliate links through your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media. When someone clicks on your link and then makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The great thing about this is you don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. You're essentially an intermediary driving traffic to a product you trust and recommend. The key to success lies in building trust with your audience. If you provide valuable content, people will be more likely to follow your recommendations. Think about reviewing books, electronics, software, or even travel destinations. Any product or service you can write or create a video about can be a potential source of affiliate income. Once your content is published and indexed, it can passively generate income for years. Our fourth method has become enormously popular in the digital age: creating and selling digital products. This concept is fantastic for passive income because you only need to create the product once, but you can then sell it over and over again. Think of e-books, which you can write on almost any topic you have knowledge about. Online courses, where you share your expertise with students worldwide. Templates, such as resume templates, social media templates, or website designs. Or even software and apps if you possess the technical skills. Once your digital product is created and hosted on a platform like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, or your own website, the sales process is largely automated. Marketing is important to bring your product to attention, but the actual transaction and delivery of the product happen automatically. This gives you the freedom, after the initial effort of creation, to focus on scaling your marketing, creating new products, or simply enjoying your passive income stream. Your knowledge and creativity are transformed into a lasting source of income. The fifth and final method we'll discuss is peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. This is a relatively new way of investing that's gaining popularity. With P2P lending, you directly lend your money to other individuals or small businesses through online platforms, without the involvement of a traditional bank. You act as the bank and receive interest on the amount lent. Interest rates on P2P loans are often significantly higher than what you'd get from a savings account. Platforms like Mintos, Bondora, or Lending Club connect you as an investor to borrowers. You can lend small amounts to many different borrowers, which spreads the risk. This is crucial because while the potential returns are attractive, there are, of course, risks, such as borrower default. That's why diversification is absolutely essential. Spread your investments across many different loans to minimize risk. Once your investments are made, the platform manages the collection of interest and repayments, which are then credited directly to your account. This makes it a very passive way to generate a steady stream of income. Your money works for you by funding loans and receiving interest on them. There you have it, 5 powerful methods to build passive income. From the timeless power of dividend stocks and index funds, through the concrete and digital possibilities of rental real estate, the accessibility of affiliate marketing, the scalability of digital products, to the innovative opportunities of peer-to-peer lending. What all these methods have in common is that they require an initial investment. That can be an investment in time, money, or knowledge. But the reward is worth it, the freedom to earn money independently of your active working hours. It's the ultimate way to break the cycle of trading time for money. Remember, start small. Choose one method that appeals the most to you, delve into it, and take the first steps. Consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic approach to building your financial future. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a few essential tips that are crucial for any form of passive income. Tip 1. Education is power. Dive deeper into the method you choose. Read books, take online courses, and learn from experts. The more you know, the better your decisions will be, and the lower the chance of costly mistakes. Knowledge is your greatest investment. Tip 2. Diversify your risks. This applies to investments in stocks and P2P lending, but also to digital products and affiliate marketing. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your efforts across multiple products, platforms, or niches. This makes you less vulnerable if one income stream disappears. Tip 3. Automate wherever possible. Passive income is most passive when you automate processes. Think about automatically reinvesting dividends, using auto-invest features on P2P platforms, or email marketing funnels for your digital products. The less you have to do manually, the more time you'll have. Tip 4. Have a long-term vision. You don't build passive income overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and perseverance. Think of it like planting a tree. You have to water and care for it before you can harvest its fruits. But once that tree grows, it keeps bearing fruit. Tip 5. Adjust your mindset. Shift your perspective from earning money by working to making money work for you. This is a fundamental change that will help you make the right decisions and stay motivated on your journey to financial independence. Passive income gives you the freedom to manage your own time, pursue your dreams, or simply enjoy life more. It's a journey worth taking. Start planting your seeds today. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more strategies to take your finances to the next level. See you in the next video.